Little drizzle olive oil if you wish. Hello and welcome back to Steph the Chef. Today I'm gonna take on a French classic, another one, Oeufs Meurette. This is my version of it as usual, so let's do this. So to make this classic French dish we need some free-range egg, some smoked bacon lardons, some button mushrooms, a little butter, a little flour for the sauce, some parsley, French stick, onion, garlic, a little white wine vinegar, oil and a good stock, either vegetable or chicken, it's down to you. Okay, first of all we're gonna make some garlic crouton with our French stick, so just make some. As usual, you've seen me doing it before. It goes on the little dish, drizzle with a little olive oil, and I'm gonna smash a little garlic, roughly chopped, right? Just to give it some taste. In the oven for 10-15 minutes until it's nice and golden. Please return it halfway through, alright? Next, I'm gonna get my onions and garlic ready. I'm gonna chop the whole thing. Next, we're gonna chop down onions. And I'm just gonna smash the garlic and cut it finely. Here we are, you can mix the two together, okay? In a pan, medium heat, I don't want to give color to this mixture. I'm gonna add a couple. Alright, onion goes in. Here we are, we're gonna sweat this for about 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, next I'm gonna get my mushroom ready. They've just been washed under water, just rinse. Do not let them soak in water, otherwise they get soaked with the water, so just rinse them over. So I'm just gonna take the tail and I'm gonna cut them like so. Mushroom tails, do not chop them. You can make a soup or you can make a base for a sauce or a fumet. Okay, but do not chop this, you can reuse by all means. Right, to my onions and garlic now I'm gonna add the bacon, okay? Cook this for another 10 minutes. In the meantime, in another pan that I'm gonna heat, I'm gonna add some oil, and that's where I'm gonna caramelize my mushrooms, a little oil and butter, okay? In the meantime, that should be ready. That's ready. Just switch up the oven. But this dish is originated from Burgundy. As you can see, the garnish, you got the bacon, the onion, the mushrooms, and the red wine. For the red wine, use a Syrah or a Grenache, a full-bodied red wine you need for that. Okay, nice and hot, and it's good. To the mushroom, I'm gonna add a little salt and a little black pepper. Now we'll do. Keep the oil and butter nearby because it's like a sponge. Mushroom, they're like a sponge, so you might need some more if you want to caramelize them. In the meantime, I'm going to chop my parsley. Right, now to this bacon and onion mixture, I'm going to add my red wine, okay? Like I said, a good full body red wine. There we go. So after adding the red wine, we're gonna reduce this by 3 quarters. Okay, we're nearly there on the reduction. In the meantime, I put some water to boil on the stove. Now we're gonna reduce this. For that, I'm gonna add some flour to thicken the sauce. And to that, we're gonna add our stock. We don't want it too thick and we don't want it too thin, so you have to judge it by adding the stock. What this is a bit more. Have a look at the consistency. Always take a spoon and you should coat the back of the spoon as so. To this I'm gonna have some butter just to make it more smooth. This is called Monter au beurre, I'm sure you heard it before. To that I'm gonna add my mushrooms. I'm gonna add my parsley. Our sauce is done. Right, let's poach the eggs now. So to my boiling water, add a little white wine vinegar. Right, let's poach our egg and go. The reason we put white wine vinegar in the water when we poach our eggs is for the egg white to set faster. Perfect. Right, let's plate our creation now. Crouton on the bottom, like so. Some of that lovely burgundy garnish. Keep working. Now I found some white garlic flour. You found them everywhere at the moment, so it'll makes it prettier. There you have it. Bon appétit on Steph Chef Oeufs Meurette, my version. Please like and subscribe, that'd be ace, and see you soon. Cheers. If you enjoyed this video and want to check out my latest one, please click here. If you want to check all my videos, please click here. And if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please subscribe and click here. That'll be ace. See you soon on Steph Chef.